Ice cream.
Is it good?
What kind of ice cream is it?
Not milk.
Is it coconut?
Yeah, coconut. Coconut. Yeah. That's right.
That's right.
Can I see the coconut shell? Can you lift it up? Ooh. You like
Milk.
milk ice cream? It's good? Sorbet. Drake, can you say sorbet? Can you say sorbet? Look at mommy. Babe, look at mommy. Drakers, did you help mommy and daddy paint today? Yeah? What color are we gonna paint today? Yellow. No, yellow. And green.
How pink and then the wall.
Yeah, did you help daddy paint?
Go.
Is that Dora?
No.
What is it?
Go.
Diego? Go Diego, go?
Look, boots.
Wearing boots? Are you finished the ice cream? Can mommy eat the rest of it? No.
Don't let mommy have it.
No.
It's yours.
Ooh, careful. You wanna go water park?
Ow.